Have you ever experienced stressful situations in your life where you were really tired, exhausted, and you were not able to think clearly? Well, every one of us has experienced some or other situations in our lives, right? Hi, my name is Srishti, and today I'm gonna talk on the topic of stress management in aviation industry. As we all know that aviation is a very fast-pacing and a demanding industry nowadays. So, it's bringing along a lot of stress among pilots and other crew members. According to a recent data which is published on Environmental Health suggests that around 12.1% pilots have reached the depression threshold. Around 4.1% have suicidal thoughts. And around hundreds of pilots and other crew members and personnel are managing symptoms of depression without seeking any treatment due to the negative career impacts they may have later on. So, what is stress? What do you mean by stress? Stress, in simple terms, refers to a person's bodily response when he or she faces a challenging or a demanding situation. There are a lot of factors that are cause of stress among pilots and other personnel. These factors include environmental stressors, which include your noise, vibrations, temperature, etc. The personal events, miscommunication between the pilots and the team members where they're not able to communicate properly, their feelings, their emotions or anything. They're not able to put up them correctly. Then, there are issues in aircraft handling as well. So, the various reasons for burnout in pilots include long duty hours. Second, the lack of emotional support. When they are away from their family members, they do not get any kind of emotional support or they do not express themselves easily to any other person. Third, disturbed sleep and schedule patterns, which can hamper their productivity, which are a result of their stressful life. Coping with stress becomes equally important and a necessary steps to address the mental health challenges and the negative impacts among pilots and other crew members. So there are various strategies, there are many different ways that can help them reduce symptoms of stress and make them productive. These are prioritizing one's sleep schedules and maintaining sleep patterns. How can you do that? There is an interesting method that I have come up with, 3-to-1 method. 3 hours before sleep with no alcohol or no caffeine. 2 hours before sleep with no more work. And 1 hour before sleep with no screen time. This is how you can manage and prioritize your sleep well. Second, practicing mindfulness. How you can do that? By listening to calm music, by doing meditation, etc. That will help you relieve the symptoms of stress drastically. Third, seeking emotional and mental health support by talking to your friends, family members, and someone you trust the most. It will help you relieve from those negative thoughts which are inside you and get rid of your burden from your shoulder. In case you are not able to manage those symptoms and it goes for long and long, you can seek mental health support from professionals which will help you to manage those symptoms. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow us for more such interesting updates.